prayer does not bring wealth, even in this kingdom of light. So those who are wealthy outside Christ, and I'm saying this for you, not to be trapped by the prosperity of the wicked. There is nothing there. These are pitiable men, miserable men. If you really understand the rule of engagement in the world of the spirit, they only appear like flower, only look beautiful for a while, and they shall be desolated. And not only that, they shall be doomed eternally. You don't struggle to acquire wealth. You wait to see if God can trust you with wealth. So, if God now show you mercy and entrust you with his wealth, you need to know what is it for and how to operate with the principle of the kingdom with wealth.